In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to dark mode in Clickup. Whether you're working late into the night or you simply prefer the sleek look of dark mode, this tutorial will guide you through the simple steps to adjust your Clickup interface to your liking. First things first, navigate to the Clickup website. You can do this by typing Clickup in your browser or by following a direct link to Clickup's main page. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by Clickup's welcoming front page, designed to get you straight into your workspace efficiently. Next, you'll need to log in to access your personal or team workspace. Click on the login link located usually at the top right corner of the page. Here, you're prompted to enter your email address. Take a moment to type in your email carefully to ensure you're entering the workspace that contains all your projects and tasks. After entering your email, you'll be asked to input your password. This is an important step for protecting your data and ensuring that only authorized users can access your workspace. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's usually a link to reset it, getting you back into your workflow without much delay. With your email and password entered correctly, it's time to click the login button. This action will transition you from the login page directly into your Clickup dashboard, a central hub for all your tasks, projects, and notifications. Upon successful login, navigate to your home space by clicking on the home icon or link. This brings you to the dashboard that houses all your ongoing projects and tasks, a space where productivity meets customization. Now for the primary purpose of our guide today, switching to dark mode. Locate your profile icon. It could be in the corner of your screen or in a sidebar depending on your layout. Clicking this icon reveals a drop-down menu with several options for adjusting your settings and preferences. Within this drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Themes. Clicking on Themes brings you to a selection of interface appearances you can choose from. This is where you can personalize your ClickUp experience to match your taste or mood. Among the available themes, you'll spot the Dark option. When you select this, your ClickUp interface will immediately switch to dark mode. The transformation is not only easy on the eyes, especially in low light conditions, but it also adds a modern touch to your workspace. After selecting dark mode, take a moment to explore your workspace. You'll notice how the darker color scheme reduces glare, making it more comfortable to work during nighttime or in dimly lit environments. Not only does it look cool, but it might even improve your focus and reduce eye strain. And there you have it. You've successfully switched your Clickup workspace to dark mode. These simple steps can significantly enhance your user experience, especially for those long work sessions that stretch into the evening. Clickup's dark mode is just one of the many customizable features designed to adapt the platform to your personal preferences and working style. Remember, the option to switch back to light mode or explore other themes is always there. Clickup is all about flexibility and personalization, allowing you to tweak your workspace to perfectly suit your needs. That wraps up our guide on how to enable dark mode in Clickup. Whether you're a night owl or you simply prefer the aesthetics of dark mode, following these simple steps will help you customize your workspace to your liking. Happy working in dark mode, and here's to many productive eye strain-free hours ahead in your sleek, new interface.